to pick up some snow showers in the mountains of Washington, Oregon, and maybe in the Sierra Nevada range as well. So if you're thinking of heading out to do some skiing in the Northeast, you'll still find some snow on the highways and byways, especially in northern sections of Maine, and then possibly even worse conditions in the Midwest with a bit of snow and rain mixed, or maybe some icy conditions on the roadways. The snow in the Northeast ends overnight, and our rain and snow mix moves into New York. Then on Monday, with snow, should hold off for a few more hours. Majority of the rain. Thank you, Bill. And we'll take a look, first of all, at our satellite picture and put this into motion. We'll show you where the clouds have been the past 12 hours or so. A big storm system now rolling in to western sections of Europe, and with it we see all kinds of clouds from the UK across most of France, and even a lot of cloud cover now across the Iberian Peninsula. With that, we may have a bit of precipitation and certainly a cool down. So normally this is our warmest spot, and it looks like even the Iberian Peninsula, southern sections of Spain, should be a little cool in the next couple of days. Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast then for Monday. We have two frontal systems exiting off to the east, and as they do, clears out here in the midsection of the continent. It's pretty quiet weather, pretty nice then across Italy, but we have one big frontal system, and as it cuts its way across, comes in across England, and so clouds today. They've had reports of some heavy rain in London. Looks like maybe another soggy day for Monday. Some scattered showers then across France and maybe even northern sections of Spain, and we'll find some pretty chilly temperatures, 30s and 40s for the most part, and just a small sliver of 60s across Spain. On Monday in Athens, partly cloudy skies, some showers for Brussels and London with temperatures near 50. Madrid should see variable cloudy skies. Of rain yesterday, dry there now. And we'll look for the heaviest rain along the Gulf Coast overnight tonight, and for the rest of this afternoon, and then some heavy rain here in the Midwest as well. Possibly some areas getting more than an inch of rain before the storm system moves to the east. But also, we're starting to pick up the thunderstorms now. We have a tornado warning for San Antonio, one little lone thunderstorm that just developed in the past hour or so. And we could see more in the way of strong to severe thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast, as well as sections of Arkansas and southern Missouri. But on the other hand, we've also had quite a bit of snow in the past 24 hours. Mount Washington, 20 inches of snow, Sutton, Vermont, a foot, and they're saying now the White Mountains of New Hampshire, this has been of the season. Some areas getting 1 to 2 feet of snow. Right now the storm system is on its way out, but we may pick up a couple of inches of additional snow before it makes its way out overnight tonight. And then just a little bit of snow, light accumulations possible in parts of the Great Lakes, and pretty quiet right now in the west, but next storm system working its way in, so maybe late tonight or tomorrow it'll work its way to the mountain regions, and then we'll pick up some light snow from the Cascades down to the Sierra Nevada range in California. So if you're heading out the door and making some travel plans, late this afternoon, kind of a rain and snow mix, possibly some icy conditions on the roadways across Wisconsin, the upper peninsula of Michigan, and also in northeastern sections of Ohio. They've had a mix of rain and some sleet, a little snow mixed in throughout the day, although most of the area it has been rain. In the northeast, we're still getting some snow showers throughout this afternoon. Looks like that'll taper off 80 yesterday. Could happen again today, and it looks like that's going to be the case for the next several afternoons. A little moisture coming in from the Gulf, a little unsettled, so scattered afternoon thunderstorms that die down pretty quickly after sunset. Meanwhile, our main front came through over the weekend, and that's brought things back down to about normal after. But it's going to get colder yet. The next few days to come, we may again see some record lows during the morning hours for the east. Meanwhile, out west, of course, it's running a little above the normal. Southern California, Arizona, as much as 15 degrees above normal for lows this Monday morning. It's going to continue to heat up each afternoon. Take a look at our departure, 24-hour temperature change.